Today I am reviewing HP All-in-One Desktop 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been searching for a reliable, space-saving, and budget-friendly desktop computer for your home or office, the HP All-in-One 21.5-inch desktop is definitely worth your attention. This computer brings together a sleek design, powerful performance upgrades, and user-friendly features that make it ideal for everyday use, whether that's working from home, browsing the internet, video calling, or enjoying your favorite movies and music. Let's start with the design. The HP All-in-One lives up to its name by combining the monitor and the computer into a single, slim unit. This not only saves space on your desk, but also gives your workspace a clean, modern look. The 21.5-inch Full HD Anti-Glare Display is bright, sharp, and colorful. With a 1920 by 1080 resolution, 250 nits of brightness, and 99% sRGB color accuracy, you'll notice that images, videos, and even text look crisp and easy on the eyes. Whether you're working on documents, attending video calls, or streaming your favorite shows, the screen quality is more than satisfying. Now, let's move on to performance. Inside, this system is powered by an Intel Celeron J4025 processor. While this CPU is not designed for heavy gaming or extremely demanding workloads, it's more than capable of handling the needs of everyday users. Tasks like browsing the web, running Microsoft Office, attending Zoom meetings, and streaming videos are handled smoothly and efficiently. What really sets this model apart, though, is the massive 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. That's a huge amount of memory for a computer in this price range, and it ensures that you can run multiple applications at once, without slowdowns. Pair that with the 1 terabyte solid-state drive, and you get both speed and storage. Programs open quickly, the system boots up in seconds, and you'll have plenty of space for your files, photos, and videos. To make it even more practical, this desktop also includes a 128 gigabyte USB flash drive as part of the package, giving you an extra portable storage option right out of the box. In terms of graphics, the HP All-in-One comes with Intel UHD Graphics 600 integrated graphics. Again, this is not aimed at hardcore gaming, but it handles high-definition video playback and casual gaming just fine. If your main focus is productivity, multimedia, or online content, this setup delivers exactly what you need. Connectivity is another area where HP did a great job. This model includes Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more stable wireless internet connections and Bluetooth 5.3, which makes it easy to connect wireless peripherals like headphones, speakers, and printers. On top of that, you'll find a generous selection of ports, including 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB-C port, HDMI output, Ethernet, and a headphone and microphone combo jack. This variety means you can connect all your devices and accessories without running into limitations. For video calls and online meetings, HP has included a True Vision HD camera with temporal noise reduction. That means clearer, sharper video quality even in less than ideal lighting conditions. The built-in dual-array microphones also ensure your voice is picked up clearly during calls. Combined with built-in DTS tuned speakers, this desktop is well-suited for communication, entertainment, and streaming. On the software side, the HP All-in-One comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro. This version of Windows offers enhanced security and productivity features compared to Windows 11 Home, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. You'll also benefit from a smoother, modern interface and improved multitasking features like snap layouts. HP includes a matching wired keyboard and mouse in cashmere white, so you're ready to go right out of the box. The whole package is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty, which provides peace of mind for buyers. So, who is this computer best for? If you're a student, a remote worker, or simply someone who needs a reliable home PC for daily tasks, this HP All-in-One hits the sweet spot. It's not designed for heavy-duty gaming or professional video editing, but for everything else: document processing, online shopping, streaming, social media, and light office work. It performs very well. The large RAM and fast SSD make it future-proof for years to come, even as applications demand more resources. In summary, the HP All-in-One 21.5-inch desktop is a perfect choice if you want a computer that's affordable, simple to set up, stylish, and powerful enough for all your everyday needs. With its combination of a sharp Full HD display, large memory and storage capacity, modern connectivity options, and Windows 11 Pro, this desktop truly offers excellent value.